I have crazy hair. Like, it's short right now, but it's pretty wavy naturally. And I use this, the Revlon. I'm not even sure what you call it. Anyways, there, blow dryer brush. I use this and it gives me so much volume, and I don't even have to straighten it after. I do if I want to, if like it's really bothering me, because sometimes I'm really particular and I want my hair fully straight. But if I don't even care. I'll just leave it. But it's wet right now, so let me show. I don't know about you, but I love it. Love the volume. You can do it however you want it, but I used to always be jealous of girls that got this volume, and now I can get it myself. I can even straighten it if I want to and still keep this volume. So you should get one.